फैन से तो आवाज चले जाता है। नहीं नहीं छोड़ दो, फैंस तो भी ऑफ रहना, ये और ये ऑफ करिए। Good afternoon, everybody. In yesterday's class, we did infinite series of binomial theorem. Today, I am going to explain some more 7-mark question in binomial theorem only. So, one definite question is infinite series. Then the another question will be the question which we do today. The question is, if the coefficients of if the second, third, fourth term, if the second, third, fourth term in the expansion of a plus x whole to the power n are New meeting, no? Good afternoon, everybody. Yesterday's class we learned infinite series of 7-mark questions in binomial theorem. Today, some more questions I'm going to teach you in 7-mark question. Before going to that, the expansion of binomial series is x plus a whole to the power n. If the binomial expansion is like this, one important formula I'm going to tell today, general term. General term, it is denoted by TR plus 1. The general term formula TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. Here n is the power of the given expansion and x is the first term of the given expansion and a is the second term of the given expansion. So this is, while solving the question, we will be using this general term concept. If negative series you have like x minus a whole to the power n, then here again general term TR plus 1 is equals to minus 1 to the power r NCR x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. If it is minus in the expansion, so before itself we have to take minus 1 to the power r, NCR x to the power n minus r and a to the power r. Here general term is nothing but r plus 1th term. Here general term is nothing but r plus 1th term. That is why we call it is what? TR plus 1. For example, x plus a whole to the power n expansion is there. How we will expand this? NC0 x to the power n a to the power 0 plus NC1 x to the power n minus 1 into a power 2 plus NC2 x to the power n minus 2 into a power 2 plus so on. Here, if you observe this first term, we call this is first term denoted by T1. And this is second term denoted by T2. This is third term denoted by T3. You might have observed T1 means NC0 is there. If it is T2, NC1 is there. See the difference. So one number is falling shortage of this. If it is T3, we are getting NC2. Based on this term 1, term 2, term 3, we have to solve the LAQs here by taking this as hint. Go to the question. If second, third, fourth term in the expansion of a plus x whole to the power n are 240, 720, 1080. Then find a, x, and n. Single expansion is given and the hint second, third, fourth terms of the expansion is given. He is asking to find AXN values. So for this, you have to go with the procedure solution. First take given expansion. Given expansion is a plus x whole to the power n. A plus x whole to the power n. Some terms are given. Given that second term in expansion. Second term means we will write T2. T2 can be written as T1 plus 1 because TR plus 1 concept we have to write. So otherwise, directly you write general term here. Next step, general term. General term, TR plus 1 is equals to NCR x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. By applying that, second term, so T2 means T1 plus 1. Here, this 1 is called r. Substitute this with this expansion is equals to NCR. R means 1. X to the power. In the question, x is nothing but a. A to the power n minus r. And a power, a means x. X to the power r is 1. Take it as equation 1. Next, third term. Third term of the expansion is T3. T3 can be written as T2 plus 1. Now here 2 is what? R. R value is 2 now. So substitute NC2 a to the power n minus 2 and x to the power 2. Take it as equation 2. Next, fourth term. Fourth term is T4. T4 can be written as T3 plus 1. Now again, what is R? 3 is our R. Now substitute NC3 a to the power n minus 3 and x to the power 3. Take it as equation 3. This is the given data. Second term, third term, fourth term are given. So now, second term value, how much is given? 240. So here itself, what we have to do? So directly, before giving this equation, substitute the value. Second term is given as 240. Now take this as equation 1. Third term is given as 720. Take it as equation 2. Fourth term given as 1080. Take it as equation 3. By using these three equations, we have to find AXN value. Take equation 2 divided by equation 1. Equation 2 divided by equation 1. What is equation 2? NC2 a to the power n minus 2 into x to the power 2 by equation 1 is NC1 a power n minus 1 into x to the power 1 is equals to 720 by 240. 720 by 240. Now, in last class, I have given the formula. If the concept is in the form of NCR by NCR minus 1, we can write it as n minus denominator suffix by numerator suffix. By applying this concept here, so we will be getting, so direct simplification, NC2 by NC1 can be written as n minus 1 by 2. Now, a to the power n minus 2 is there. Take this a to the power n minus 1 to the numerator, it becomes negative minus n plus 1. 1x getting cancelled into x is equals to 0, 0 cancel, 24 1s are 24 3s are. So now, n minus 1 by 2 is equal to nn cancel, a to the power minus 1 into x is equals to 3. Cross multiply 3. So n minus 1 into x, a to the power minus 1, write it in the denominator, by a is equals to 6. So directly x by a is equals to 6 by n minus 1. Take this as equation 4. If we divide equation 2 by equation 1, we got x by a is equals to 6 by n minus 1. Similarly, we take equation 3 by equation 2. Equation 3 by equation 2. What is our equation 3? NC3, a to the power n minus 3, x to the power 3 by equation 2 is NC2, a to the power n minus 2, x to the power 2 is equals to 1080 by 720. Again, apply the same formula. This can be written as n minus 2 by 3 into a to the power n minus 3. Take n minus 2 to the numerator. It becomes minus n plus 2. X square cancel. 1x will there. Is equals to 0, 0. Cancellation, it depends. However you feel it is convenient, you do that. 36 2s are 36 3s are. So it is 3 by 2. N minus 2 by 3, n cancel. A to the power minus 1 is into x is equals to 3 by 2. Cross multiply 3, n minus 2 into, write a to the power minus 1 in the denominator is equals to 9 by 2. So here again x by a value we got it as 9 by 2 into n minus 1. Take this is equation 5. If you observe, equation 4 is x by a and equation 5 also x by a. So equate 4 and 5. Equating equation 4 and equation 5. What is equation 4 value? In equation 4 we have x by a is equals to 6 by n minus 1. So 6 by n minus 1 is equals to, in equation 5 x by a value is 9 by 2 into n minus 2. 3 2s are 3 3s are. Cross multiply 2 into n minus 2 is equals to 3 into n minus 1. Now multiply 2 to the 4, 4 into n, 4n. 2 to the 4, 4 into minus 2, minus 8 is equals to 3 into n, 3n. Minus 3 into 1 is 3. Write n terms together. 4n, bring 3n to this side, minus 3n. And take minus 8 to the right side, it becomes plus 8. 4n minus 3n is n. Minus 3 plus 8 is 5. So we got n is equals to 5. Next, substitute n value in equation 4. Equation 4 implies, what is equation 4? X by a is equals to 6 by n minus 1. Substitute n as 5. X by a is equals to 6 by 5 minus 1 is 4. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So x is equals to, we got here 3a by 2. Keep it aside. X is equals to, we got it as 3a by 2. After getting n value, if we substitute n in equation 4, we got the relation of x and a, but we did not get exact value of x and a. So here, again, go to equation 1 and substitute all three values. 1 implies, what is our equation 1? NC1, a to the power n minus 1 into x to the power 1 is equals to 240. Substitute n is 5 and a is as it is. A to the power 5 minus 1 is 4. X value we got it as 3a by 2 is equals to 240. 5c1 is 5 into 3. A power 4 into a is a power 5 is equal to, cross multiply 2. 240 into 2 is 480. Now a to the power 5 is equals to 480 by 5 3 is a 15 will come down. So a to the power 5 is equals to, cancel. If you are good at calculation, directly cancel with 15. Otherwise, first do with 5. 5 3 is a 15. 5 9 is a 45. And 5 6 is a 30. Next, 3 3 is a 3 2 is a. We got a power 5 is equals to 32. A power 5 is equals to 32. We can write 2 to the power 5. Therefore, we got a is equals to 2, because when powers are equal, we can equate the basis. Now substitute a value in x is equals to 3a by 2. Therefore, x is equals to, we have 3a by 2 Substitute A, 3 into 2 by 2. You can cancel 2 and 2. So we got x is equals to 3. So finally we have all three values. What are the three values? N is equals to 5, A is equals to 2, and x is equals to 3. This is your final answer. So like how we have to solve when a question is given in binomial expansion. By taking the sentences in properly, we will be getting the answer easily. Of course, it is a lengthy question. So once again, second, third, fourth terms of an expansion are given. So substituted in the formula T2, T3, T4, then divided 2 divided by 1. We got equation 4. Then equation 3 by equation 2, we got equation 5. If you observe 4 and 5 are equal, so equated equation 4 and 5 got n is equals to 5. By taking n as 5, found x is equal to 3a by 2. Substituted n and x values in equation 1. So we got a is equals to 2. So with the help of a, we found x is equals to 3. So like how we got n is 5, a is 3, and x is 2. Move to the next question. Another LAQ we have. Next question. If 36, 84, 126 are three successive binomial coefficients, in the expansion coefficient in the expansion one plus x whole to the power n. In the expansion 1 plus x whole to the power n. Then find n. Previous question was clearly he mentioned second, third, fourth terms of the expansion. But here the hint is successive binomial coefficient. Successive binomial coefficient of this expansion. So before going to that, so we should know the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power n. So solution goes like this. Given expansion, what is given expansion? Given expansion is 1 plus x whole to the power n. What is 1 plus x whole to the power n? Simply, shortly, you can write nc0 plus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square plus so on will be there. So if you might have observed, nc1, if suffix is 1, x power 1 is there. If suffix is 2, x power 2 is there. In the same way, if you go on, write ncr x to the power r, so on. So like how the question expansion will be. Now, take general successive terms. Let three successive coefficients, general coefficients we have to take. Here x coefficient means NC1. X square coefficient means NC2. So x power r coefficient means NCR. So in the same way, three successive coefficients are, keep NCR in the middle, take right one term and left one term. It will be NCR minus 1 and it will be NCR plus 1. So these are the three successive coefficients. He has given the coefficient value. Given that. What is given? NCR minus 1 value is given as 38. And NCR value is given as 36. So take this is 36. So NCR minus 1 value given as 36. NCR value given as 84. And NCR plus 1 value given as 126. The same like previous question, take it as equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Same process, divide equation 2 by equation 1. So what is equation 2? NCR by NCR minus 1 is equals to 84 by 36. 84 by 36. Simplify, this can be written as N minus R minus 1 by R is equals to 84 by 36. You can cancel 6 6 6 1 6 6 4 then 2 3 2 7 This is 7 by 3. Cross multiply. 3n minus 3r plus 3 is equal to 7r. So 3n plus 3 is equals to, if minus 3r goes that side, plus 3r. 7r plus 3r is 10r. If this is equation 4. Now again, equation 3 divided by equation 2. So here we are getting as NCR plus 1 by NCR is equals to 126 by 84. 126 by 84. As per the formula, this can be written as N minus R by R plus 1 is equals to, again cancel. 3 2 the 6, 3 8 the 24, 3 4 the 12, 3 2 the 6. Again with 7, 7 4 the 7 6 the 2 2 the 2 3 the. So 3 by 2. Now cross multiply. 2n minus 2r is equals to 3r plus 3. Bring n 3 to this side, it becomes minus 3 is equals to, if 2r goes that side, plus 2r, 3r plus 2r is 5r. Take this is equation 5. Observe 4 and 5 to simplify further. From equation 4, we got 3n plus 3 is equals to 10r. This 10r, shall I write 2 into 5r? From equation 1, we have 5r value. So substitute that value. 2 into 5r. So 2 into, what is 5r from equation 5? 2n minus 3. So 3n plus 3 is equals to 2 into 2n minus 3. Simplify. 3n plus 3 is equals to 4n minus 6. If minus 6 comes this side, plus 6 plus 3 is equals to, send 3n to the other side. 4n minus 3n. So finally we got n is equals to 9. Is asking the value of n. So we got directly n as what? 9. Almost the procedure is same for all the questions, like dividing equation 2 by equation 1 and dividing equation 3 by equation 2 and equating equation 4 and equation 5. So different questions will give the different values, but the process is same. If you practice more, you will be getting the perfection in it. Just go through the question. Observe the question. If you have any doubt, you can drop your message in the suggestion box. Next. One more question. If the coefficients of, this is also most important question in March exam, this question has come. If the coefficients of x to the power 9, x to the power 10, x to the power 11 in the expansion 1 plus x whole to the power n are in AP. AP means arithmetic progression. Are in AP. Then prove that n square minus 41n plus 398 is equals to 0. Then prove that n square minus 41n plus 398 is equals to 0. Here again, what condition is given? The three coefficients x power 9, x power 10, x power 11 are in AP. So based on this concept, we have to go again. Given expansion is 1 plus x whole to the power n. If we expand this, what do we get? NC0 plus NC1 into x plus NC2 into x square plus NC3 into x cube plus so on. Observe the expansion one. X square coefficient NC2. X cube coefficient NC3. But in the question, which coefficient we want? Coefficient of x power 9, x power 10 and x power 11. Now tell me what is x power 9 coefficient? NC9. And x power 10 coefficient NC10. X power 11 coefficient NC11. So here you have to mention, therefore, coefficients of x power 9, x power 10, x power 11 are in arithmetic progression, AP. This is given condition. We are not taking it. Given that. So it means NC9, NC10, NC11 are in AP. Again, we have a basic concept. If ABC are in AP, what is the formula? If ABC are in AP, we can write 2B is equals to A plus C. 2B is equals to A plus C. By applying this concept, we will be getting the above equation. 2 into B means NC10 is equals to NC9 plus NC11. Now you have to simplify. Simplification can be done in different ways. Here the easy way I am going to tell. First, what to do? Divide both the sides by NC10. So we will be getting here 2 is equals to NC10 cancel. NC9 by NC10 plus NC11 by NC10. Now again apply the concept. Which concept? We have this concept NCR by NCR minus 1 is equal to N minus R minus 1 by R. By applying this, or you have like this also. NCR minus 1 by NCR is equals to R by N minus R minus 1. Both the ways we can take here. So if we apply this, NC9 by NC10 is in the concept of this one because denominator suffix is more than the numerator suffix. So here this can be written as 10 by N minus 9. 2 is equals to 10 by N minus 9. So 2 is equal to 10 by n minus 9 plus NC11 by NC10, directly formula n minus 10 by 11. Now simplify this. 2 is equals to LCM 11 into n minus 9. Here we will be getting 10 into 11 is 110 plus n minus 9 into n minus 10. Cross multiply. 2 into 11, 22 into n minus 9 is equals to 110 plus open up n into n square minus n into 10 minus 10n minus 9 into n minus 9n minus 9 into minus 10 plus 90. Multiply here and take the terms to the right side. So in right side, arrange in order. First n square minus 10n minus 9n minus 19n plus 110 plus 90 plus 200. If these two terms go the other side, 22 into n minus 22n minus 22 into minus 9 go the other side, it becomes plus 22 into 9. 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19, 198 is equals to 0. Now simplify. There is only one n square term. There are two n terms. Minus 19n minus 22n. It is minus 41n plus 200 plus 198. It is 398 is equals to 0. This is only he asked us to prove. The same one which is there here. N square minus 41n plus 398 is equals to 0. So here one thing we have to notice. First, expand the given expansion. In that, the coefficients of x power 9, x power 10, x power 11, identify them, are in AP. Apply AP condition, that is 2b is equals to a plus c. Divide both the sides by NC10. And again, instead of simplifying here, if you remember the formulas, fundamental formulas, it is easy the calculation to find out. So like how we have to simplify. So this is how the question goes. If numerical numbers are there, this is the way you have to do. The same question, suppose in terms of like rth term, r plus 1th term and r plus 2nd term. So there also you have an expansion. So one more question we have. So after this, next we'll go to that question. Next question. Similar kind, one more is there. Question number 4. If r plus 1, r plus 2nd. If r plus 1, r plus 2nd terms in the expansion of, otherwise add coefficients. Coefficients of r plus 1, r plus 2nd term in the expansion of, same expansion is given, 1 plus x whole to the power n, r in AP, concept also same. Then prove that n square minus 4r plus 1 into n plus 4r square minus 2. 4r square minus 2 is equal to 0. So apply the same logic like before previous question. First take given expansion. Solution goes like this. Given expansion 1 plus x whole to the power n. Whenever in the question coefficients are given, try to expand this. So 1 plus x whole power n can be expanded as nc0 plus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square plus nc3 into x cube plus so on. As we discussed earlier, x coefficient is nc1, x square coefficient nc2, x cube coefficient nc3. Here what coefficient we want? Rth r plus 1 and r plus second coefficient we want. So here what we want? Given that coefficient of r plus 1th and r plus second. R plus 1th and r plus second are in AP. Are in AP. So coefficient of rth term puche uno. He is not asking coefficient of x to the power r. Coefficient of rth terms he is asking. Terms are in AP. So first we have to take TRth term. TR means this can be written as TR minus 1 plus 1. Now, what is coefficient here? NCR minus 1. Similarly, TR plus 1 coefficient, NCR. Here coefficient of TR. Here again, coefficient of TR plus 1. Next, we want coefficient of TR plus 2. This can be written as first TR plus 1 plus 1. So it becomes what? NCR plus 1. Now by keeping these three, therefore NCR minus 1, NCR, NCR plus 1 are in AP, arithmetic progression. So AP means what? 2 into middle term, NCR is equals to first and last. NCR minus 1 plus NCR plus 1. Again, what to do here? Divide both the sides by NCR. If we divide, here only 2 left out, and the other side, NCR minus 1 by NCR plus NCR plus 1 by NCR. Now apply the formula. What is the simplification of this? 2 is equals to here R by N minus R minus 1. And here this will be N minus R by R plus 1. Now taking LCM, 2 is equals to N minus, open up the bracket, R plus 1. And here R plus 1 is equals to cross multiply R into R plus 1 plus N minus R into N minus R plus 1. Cross multiply and open the brackets and simplify, you will be getting the final solution. So 2 into N minus R plus 1 after cross multiplying, we will be getting like this is equals to, here open up the bracket, R square plus R plus expand these two terms, N square, first multiplying N with N minus R plus 1. So it will be N square minus NR plus N. Next multiply minus R with N minus R plus 1. So minus NR plus R square minus R. Now, again here 2 into multiply NR plus N minus R square minus R plus R plus 1 is equals to right side plus R minus R cancel. R square plus R square, 2R square plus N square minus NR minus 2NR and plus N. Left side multiply with 2, 2NR plus 2N minus 2R square, again plus R minus R cancel, 2 1s are 2, is equals to 2r square plus n square minus 2nr plus n. Take left side terms to the right side. First write n square plus 2r square minus 2nr plus n. If these terms go the other side, the sign will change. 2nr becomes minus 2nr plus 2n is minus 2n. Minus 2r square is plus 2r square and plus 2 is minus 2 is equals to 0. N square minus 2nr minus 2nr minus 4nr and minus 2n plus n is minus n plus 2r square plus 2r square 4r square minus 2 is equals to 0. One last step. We have to prove n square. We got it as n square. Next, what we want? 4r plus 1 into n. So identify n terms. Where are n terms? Here one n is here, one n is here. So take n common. So if you take minus n common, here it is 4r plus 1 into n. The left out terms, put it in the bracket. They are 4r square minus 2 is equal to 0. So like how the simplification goes. These are the most important questions of today's class. So some more questions will be there in binomial theorem that we will be discussing in the next class. Thank you.